Okay, you have a Dodge Charger here. You want to get the back seat out. The bottom, right here, it's just a friction clip, and you just have to pull this puppy out on each side. There's one clip over there, one clip over here. These are accesses to your fuel tank, alright? So you need to get this bottom seat out first. Then, there are two bolts that go on those two U clips there, and that's an 18mm nut, actually, not bolts. So there's two studs coming out of the frame of the car. Now you're trying to get this top part off, and you're like, how in the world? It will not move. Alright, this is already released so you can see what the issue is. Alright, now, the reason you can't get it out, see if we can get a good look at it, right here. See that slot? See it way over there? Right there? Okay. Those two slots have these two spring clips in them. And these are big. Okay? Look at how big that spring clip is. That spring clip is quite large, and it's very, very strong. So what you need to do is, when this is in the car, you need to reach down on the top, get a screwdriver. Now this one's a little narrow, see? So if you have the widest screwdriver, and then you have to get on there, and it takes probably about 25 to 30 pounds of force, maybe even more, and you have to compress that spring down, and then it'll slip right out of the clip. Okay? So you see the hole in the top? This is a pretty good sized tip. It goes right in that hole. It doesn't work. You need something wider than that. Like maybe a scraper or something like that. Something that's at least, this is probably 1.5 inches wide, and this hole is about 1/2 inch wide. So if you have a screwdriver like this one that's 1/2 inch on the bottom, it's going to go right in that hole. So basically you got to get on this clip from the top, right there, and shove it down, and then you can pop your seat out. Alright, there you go.